A very good day to anyone who is watching this video. My name is Ko Wei Yan with metric number AI210411. Today I will be presenting about my final year project, which is Tool and Equipment Information Management System. I would also like to introduce my project supervisor, which is Dr. Nurizi. First of all, I would like to start with introducing my project background. So, spring manufacturing is one of the important industry in this current era because springs are an important component for many other industries such as aerospace industry, automotive industry, and construction industry. And my case study for this project is Shinli Spring Sdn Bhd, which is an SME located in Selangor, established in 2006. This company is specializing in the manufacturing of springs and related products. Despite they have over more than 10 years of experience in this industry, they're still using manual input on handling their tools informations. So these images are the example on how they record their tools informations. Next is the problem statement. Firstly is the inadequate data and storage practice. Second is suboptimal data management. And thirdly is reporting and analytics constraints. So next I would like to talk about the project significance. A proper tool management system can assist in organizing and managing their tools and equipment, and also indirectly enhance their main productivity. So now I would like to start with my system demonstrations. First, you need to turn on your XAMPP and find for the local host, and you will see this FYP project. Begin and click in the login and registration. So you will see the login page for my system. So you need to key in the user manual. If you want to enter as an admin, you need to use this username with password admin and choose the role as admin. Then it will show that you log in successfully. So you will first see the dashboard of the system. And this is the tool requests, back order and maintenance, and so on, the total spend on tool for this month. And these are the status of the tool applications and the maintenance status lah. So if you want to register for new user, you can go to user details, add employee, and you can fill in the informations of your employee and click register. It will start the register part. So these are all the employee that I have registered early. So if you want to deactivate the employee account, you can just click delete and just select any you want to deactivate the account and click on delete. Okay. Next, I will go to tool details. So tool details, you need to first select the tool type. So these are the type that this company have. Click go, and it will display the further information for the type of tools. So if you want to register for new tools, you can click on add and you can fill in the informations and register. So here is the information of tool. You can see the status, total stock, the tools that are still functioning and malfunction. So if you want to see more on the tool details, you can click here and it will show the tool ID with sharing the same name, but what makes them different is their serial number. So you can click on here to view more, and if you want to edit, you can edit here. So next is the maintenance. So this is when you enter into this maintenance module, you can first see the under maintenance, which is the tools that are still going through the under maintenance process, and this is the completion date. Once they are done, you can click on done. And this button is for you to view what tools has been reported by the employee. So here you can view which employee have made this report and what is the reason. So if you want this tool to go through the under maintenance process, you can click on tick, else you can deny it. Or as an admin, you yourself can also report certain tool you feel that those tools need to go through under maintenance process. So next is, if you come back here, you can also view the edit. If some tools they didn't really complete on the date you set, you can click on edit to make some changes on the maintenance type and maintenance end date. So next I will go to vendor. So this vendor here is you can register for new vendor you want. Then you can also click on like what if you want to buy for new tools, you can click on the category to find that the vendor you wish to purchase to. Like for example, I want to purchase repairing equipment. I can click here and go, and this is the vendor I have purchased before, so you can click to view more. Else you can also delete, or those vendor might not be working anymore or retired, you can also like deactivate their account. Okay, next I will go to tool request. Tool request is where when the employee have made a request on the tool they want, this is where the tools will be displayed. So this interface is showing that those who already been approved and they are still using the tools and they might want to return. So here you have seen that there is one employee have already requested and approved by admin, but he or she still haven't returned on the date he set. So others you can see is all returned. If the actual return date is late than this return date, so it will display in red color. Else it will just display in normal color. So these are the requests is where employee can see that who make requests and how many quantity he or she want and the quantity installed. So if admin want to approve, it will just click here. Else employee can click deny. So for back order, this button is when the stock is empty but the employee still want to use for the certain tools, it can send this back order request. Lastly is the report. You can see that admin can see what type of report he wants. For example, tool informations. You can see he spent this month has purchased total 6 units. Okay, you can view the details. So these are the details of the tool informations and the total operations and total malfunction and total cost. So this I also have set a total cost for malfunction. So these are all the information you can view. And admin also can view based on month. Like for example, May. So last month I total has purchased 26 units, total operation 21 units, and so on, and the total cost. And also can view on the tool usage, and it also can filter by months. And tool maintenance is the report for tool maintenance. So then you can click on log out. Now I would like to log in as employee, and the password is 1234. The role is employee. So this is the dashboard for the employee, so it can view like after the employee make request, it will show here if admin haven't approved this application, it will show in progress. If admin already approved, it will show here, you can view. Okay, so these are the tools that has been assigned for me, for the employee. So once the employee have done using this, you can click on return. So it will show the current date. If admin still haven't approved the application, it will show in progress and there is no tools has been assigned to me. That's why I cannot view. So the button also cannot click. So if employee want to make applications, he can come here and choose what type of tool he want. And measure equipment, click go. You can view the current stock is good or low. It will show the status of the tool informations, and then make requests. So this is the place where employee can choose what to request. If you want to request the multimeter, so once done, employee himself also can make report if there is some malfunctions on the certain tool. So lastly is the profile. So this is the employee can view on he or she's profile and make edit. This is the information he can edit, and after edit already can click update. That's all for my overall system. Lastly, you can just click log out and we come back here. I think that's the system demonstrations for me. Thank you.